I don't think he'll even notice you.
Yeah.
You know that song in your head you keep humming to yourself all day? Yeah. So-called modern music with nice and loud. Plant 106.7.
What do you think would happen if I just put my phone right there?
Nothing.
Should I try it? Like right on the cage, maybe? Like just like right here? Oh wait, let me see.
She'll peck at it.
It might be okay.
No. Careful of your screen.
Yeah,
We don't want that.
it's kind of hard to see him. Oh, there we go. Hey, see, look at.
Let's get some more light on this.
Oh yeah.
Oh, there's his big one. Sammy, what big beak you have?
Well, hey, what's up?
It's funny to see his little. Be careful, you don't get your finger.
I know. I think he's starting to go just directly for my fingers.
Yeah, he's a little stinker.
Hey, why don't you sing? Sing for the camera.
Yeah?
I wonder what he thinks about this. What do you think about that? Oh, he's still like. Doesn't that look crazy?
He's probably seeing himself. He's like.
Oh yeah, I can put the camera back.